Here's how you can set your PIN password to be input without having to tap OK when on the lock screen. This is for Samsung phones with One UI 7.0 update, and let's get started. When you're ready to do this, go ahead and use the quick access, and you want to tap on the settings icon here. From here on now, just go down until you see the security and privacy section. So you're looking for this right here. Once you enter here, you'll see the lock screen section, and if you haven't set it up yet, you'll be prompted to choose one of these options. And for the part that you input your password without having to tap OK, it would most likely just work for the PIN one. The others will work in that sense. You have the swipe, none, the pattern. Once you input your pattern, it'll unlock for you, and your password will be totally different from the PIN setup. So when you're using the PIN option here, what's going to happen after One UI 6 and One UI 7 update, you will now need 6 numbers or digits to get to the part where you input the numbers and you don't press OK, which I always preferred the 4, but I don't know why Samsung changed it. Anyways, so you'll go ahead and put it in. So if you put 4, you can choose to continue, but you won't have the enter the PIN without OK unless you select 6 in total. So we'll go ahead and put 5 and 6, and you'll see now that it's going to say confirm PIN without tapping OK. So once you put it in the first time, you'll be continuing here. And because I have something simple, it's going to prompt me that, but you want to put something far more secure than that here, right? And once I do that here, I'll go with use anyway, and it's going to tell you to remember the PIN. So you have to put it in a second time just to confirm it. And then you'll press OK. And then once you're all set, you'll be taken to the lock screen setup section, and you'll just press done, and all of that's set up for you here now. And now once you have it done correctly and you're ready to put in your password, you'll see here now that when I go ahead and do my password, make sure I put it right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's gonna unlock my phone without having to press OK. So if you've been looking for that, that's how you would do it, but it must be 6 digits now, like and sub.